Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G56 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Scroll down again to go to the device identifiers. And here localize build number. Now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and go back to the general list of the settings. Here we have to open the system and tap on developer options. So now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. And from now on, of course, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually check for the updates. Your device will basically apply it whenever it will be, of course, available and restarted. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.